present the Atlas QES 640 generator. It is powered by a 6-cylinder Volvo Penta diesel engine, with a generator with a capacity of over 500 kilowatts. We converted it to gas power for one of our institutional clients, based on our installation, Cogas Nevo-Sky Diesel. In this configuration, it is prepared to run on compressed natural gas, which is known as CNG. It has been equipped with a full telemetry set for remote control of the installation, additionally expanded with a microphone, thanks to which we can listen to the engine operation in real time. It will help detect when knocking combustion occurs. Thanks to Cogas solutions, it is possible to reduce the costs of energy produced by the generator by 30 to 50%. This will make the price of electricity lower than that from the power grid. And the injection of gas in the vapor phase is carried out by 2 quadruple injector rails. If you are interested in performing such a conversion, please contact us to present an offer.